Workforce training and development is a process that aims to improve the skills, knowledge, and abilities of employees so that they can contribute better to the organization. This process is not only important for employees, but also very crucial for companies to stay competitive in a dynamic market. Definition of training and development: training is an activity designed to provide new skills and knowledge to employees so that they can perform certain tasks better. According to the regulation of the Minister of Manpower of the Republic of Indonesia No. 5 of 2022, job training includes all activities to improve work competencies according to a particular position or job. Development refers to a broader process that includes improving employee skills and knowledge to prepare them for future job challenges. This often includes managerial and leadership training. Improve performance. Training aims to improve the performance of employees who may not meet company standards. With the right training, employees can increase their productivity. Adaptation to new technology. As technology advances, companies need to ensure that their employees are trained in using the latest tools and technologies to stay competitive. Preparation for promotion. Development programs help employees prepare for higher positions within the organization, thereby supporting their career path. Increased job satisfaction. Employees who feel they are receiving training and development tend to be more satisfied with their jobs, which can reduce turnover rates. Why is training and development important? 1. Improve performance. Well-trained and skilled employees will be more productive and effective in carrying out their duties. 2. Adapt to change. Training helps employees adapt to changes in technology, markets, and ever-evolving business demands. 3. Increase motivation. Employees who feel cared for and given the opportunity to develop will feel more motivated and loyal to the company. 4. Prevent turnover. Good training can reduce employee turnover. 5. Strengthen company culture. Training can be used to instill company values and build a positive work culture. Types of training and development. 1. On-the-job training. Training conducted directly in the workplace, for example through mentoring, coaching, or real projects. 2. Off-the-job training. Training conducted outside the workplace, for example through seminars, workshops, or lectures. 3. Technical training. Training that focuses on improving the technical skills needed to carry out the job. 4. Managerial training. Training aimed at developing managerial skills, such as leadership, decision-making, and communication. 5. Personal development training. Training that focuses on personal development, such as interpersonal skills, stress management, and career development. Training and development process needs analysis. Identify training needs based on performance analysis, organizational goals, and employee input. Planning. Set training goals, choose appropriate training methods, and allocate resources. Implementation. Conduct training according to the plan that has been made. Evaluation. Measure the effectiveness of training by comparing employee performance before and after training. Challenges in training and development. 1. Cost. Training and development require quite a lot of money. 2. Time. Training takes quite a long time, so it can interfere with work productivity. 3. Employee motivation. Not all employees have the same motivation to take part in training. 4. Transfer of learning. Not all knowledge and skills acquired in training can be applied in the workplace. Tips for success in training and development involve employees. Involve employees in the planning and implementation of training. Adjust to needs. Make sure training is in accordance with the needs and goals of the organization. Use various methods. Combine various training methods to achieve optimal results. Periodic evaluation. Conduct periodic evaluations to measure the effectiveness of training. Focus on career development. Show employees that training is an investment in their future. Effective training methods. Choosing the right training method is essential to achieving training goals. Here are some commonly used training methods. 1. On-the-job training. Mentoring. More experienced employees guide new employees. Coaching. A coach provides guidance and support to employees to achieve specific goals. Job rotation. Employees move between jobs to gain broader experience. Special projects. Giving employees specific tasks to develop specific skills. 2. Off-the-job training. Classroom training. Training conducted in the classroom, with instructors providing materials directly. Seminars and workshops. More interactive training activities, involving participants in discussions and practices. Simulations. Creating situations similar to real work conditions to train employees. Case studies. Analyzing real cases to solve problems. E-learning. Training conducted online, through a digital learning platform. 3. Combination methods. Combining several training methods to achieve optimal results. For example, combining classroom training with case studies and simulations. Factors influencing the selection of training methods. Training objectives. The training method chosen must be in accordance with the objectives to be achieved. Budget. The available costs will affect the choice of training method. Time. The time available for training also needs to be considered. Number of participants. The training method chosen must be in accordance with the number of participants. Participant characteristics. The age, education, and experience of participants also need to be considered. Examples of training method applications. 1. Manufacturing companies. Using simulations to train employees in operating new machines. 2. Service companies. Using role-playing to train employees in handling customer complaints. 3. Technology companies. Using e-learning to provide technical training to employees. Training evaluation. After the training is conducted, it is important to conduct an evaluation to determine the extent to which the training objectives have been achieved. Some evaluation methods that can be used include performance tests, measuring employees' ability to perform tasks after training. Questionnaire, collecting feedback from training participants. Observation, observing employee behavior in the workplace after training. Measuring training effectiveness. Measuring training effectiveness is essential to ensure that the investment made in training delivers results in line with the stated objectives. There are several ways to measure training effectiveness, including 1. Reaction evaluation. Measuring the level of participant satisfaction. Through questionnaires or interviews, we can find out how satisfied participants are with the training materials, methods, and facilities. Measuring the level of participant attention and involvement. Do participants actively participate in training activities? 2. Learning evaluation. Knowledge test. Through written or oral tests, we can measure the extent to which participants have absorbed the training material. Simulation. Asking participants to apply the knowledge gained in a simulated work situation. 3. Behavior evaluation. Performance observation. Observing changes in employee behavior in the workplace after training. Performance report. Comparing employee performance before and after training. 4. Results evaluation. Measuring the impact on organizational goals. Has the training contributed to achieving organizational goals? ROI. Return on investment, analysis. Calculating the financial benefits obtained from training. How to design an effective training program. Identify needs. Conduct a needs analysis to determine what skills need to be improved. Define objectives. Set clear and specific goals for each training program. Select training methods. Choose the methods that best meet the needs and preferences of the participants. Evaluation. Conduct evaluations to measure the effectiveness of the training program. Challenges in training and development. Cost. Training requires an investment of time and money. Time. Employees often have busy schedules, making it difficult to find time for training. Transfer of learning. Not all knowledge and skills acquired in training can be applied in the workplace. Examples of key performance indicators, KPIs, for training evaluation. 1. Increased productivity. Increased output per employee. Improved quality. Reduced error or defect rates. 2. Increased customer satisfaction. Increased customer satisfaction scores. 3. Reduced costs. Reduced production or operating costs. 4. Employee retention. Reduced employee turnover. Challenges in evaluation. 1. Measuring long-term impact. Not all training impacts can be seen immediately. 2. Measuring behavioral change. Measuring employee behavioral change can be difficult. 3. Cost. Conducting evaluations takes time and resources. How to motivate employees to attend training. Motivating employees to attend training is critical to the success of the program. Some ways to do this include: show relevance. Explain how the training can benefit their careers. Make the training engaging. Use interactive and fun training methods. Involve employees in planning. Ask employees for input on their training needs. Provide recognition. Acknowledge and appreciate employee participation in training.